In today's video, I will walk you through how to make basic text effect in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. This effect places an image inside your text, which gives your design a much more eye-catching look while still keeping the process beginner-friendly. Start by going to the left toolbar inside Canva and clicking on Apps. This will open the app library where you can search for additional Canva tools and features. Inside the Discover tab, click the search bar and type Font Frame. Press Enter, then select the Font Frame app when it appears in the results. If this is your first time using it, Canva may ask you to install or open the app first. Click Open and wait for it to load into the editor. For this example, we'll use a Canva photo inside the text. Go to the Photos section from the left side panel and search for any image you want to use. Once you find one you like, drag it onto your canvas. After placing the image on the canvas, go back to the Font Frame app from the left toolbar so the panel opens again. Now, select the image you added to the canvas, then click Use Selected Image inside the Font Frame app. The image will immediately appear inside the text frame. From here, scroll down until you see the Text Editing section. Replace the default wording with your own text. You can use a single word or multiple lines depending on the style you want. In this example, the text is changed to New York. Next, move into the font settings and change the font style. The current font can be replaced with another one such as Anton. Once you select a new font, the text updates automatically. If the letters look too close together, adjust the letter spacing until the text feels more balanced. You can also increase or decrease the line spacing to improve the overall layout, especially if you're using multiple lines of text. Below that, you'll also find the outline thickness setting. You can make the outlines thicker or thinner depending on the final look you want for the design. Then move down to the alignment controls. Here you can align the text to the left, center, or right. In this example, center alignment is selected. To reposition the image inside the text, click directly on the text effect and drag the image around. The image stays clipped inside the letters while you move it. You can also change the scale to make the image appear larger inside the text. After adjusting the scale, move the image again until the positioning looks right. Once you're happy with the final result, click Add to Design. Then resize the fish text effect on your canvas to fit your layout.